Ever wondered how some YouTube creators seem to go viral overnight, without even showing their face? Here's the secret. It's all about finding the right ideas, in the right niches, at the right time. That's where VidxAI AI comes in, the world's first AI-powered discovery and analytics tool made for faceless YouTube creators. With VidxAI AI, I can search and filter through thousands of top-performing faceless channels. I get instant access to key metrics like views, likes, even the ratio of AI-generated videos. So I know exactly which channels are exploding right now, and why. But it doesn't stop there. Finding viral video ideas has never been easier. With just a few clicks, I can see the hottest AI-generated YouTube videos and shorts, complete with analytics like views, play rates, and a custom viral index. That means I can spot trends before they blow up and get inspired by proven content that's already racking up serious numbers. Maybe I want to know which channels are gaining the most subs, the fastest. VidxAI AI tracks channel growth across any timeline, 24 hours, a week, all the way up to a year, so I can see what's working right now, not last year. I can break down subscriber trends, viral video spikes, and even what's driving that success, all at a glance. Best of all, VidxAI AI lets me explore trending niches and topics in real time, so I never miss a fresh opportunity. It's like having a crystal ball for YouTube, powerful data mining tailored for creators who want to monetize with faceless videos. Ready to discover what's next in AI YouTube and turn those ideas into income? Hit the link below and get started for free today.